Still, well, I'll put them in anywhere because the screws will turn up sooner or later, and I can use the security bits for putting them in wherever they come out of. Elsewhere, doesn't matter, they're all the same size, thickness and thread length, so there's nothing different or difficult about that. These, there's a security one there. We'll pop him in there with our security driver. Oop, not too hard. And put the rest of them in place. Change our bit on the screwdriver. And then we can get them done up quickly, and then we'll plug him in and see if we get some steam come out. If you're still watching this video, I thank you for your patience while I've been talking and serving customers at the same time. It's a bit naughty, isn't it? But I hope you'll forgive me for that. And now we need